Now this is the kind of January that we're supposed to be having up here in Canada. It's extremely windy and blustery right now. Hey Tango, how are ya? Get some fresh air today, eh? Don't slip on the ice. Oh, look at their feet. They're slipping on the ice. I hear ya. Where you going? There's Chunk and Dexter. Maggie, you're not coming out, kiddo. Oh, you guys got some wetness in your catio here. I guess it's all the snow that's melting underneath. And the cats don't want to come out. Where's Fozzie? Okay, I guess you guys are staying in, eh? Olive, what are you doing up on the snowbank? Where's your Kong? Hey, where's your Kong? Did you lose your Kong? Hey, where'd you put it? Is it way down there? Oh, there it is. I got it. Okay. You gotta be careful though, okay? It's icy. Okay? It is very icy, so I got my grip-ons on, so I'm not gonna slip and fall. Where are you going, Olive? Why are you going up there? The cats are too smart for their own good. They don't want to come out today because it's too icy and too slushy and wet. But Dexter and Chunk are out, and I don't know exactly where they are. They just went around. I guess they're somewhere under the cat house here. Dexter, are you okay, bud? Come here, Dexter! Hey, buddy. How are ya? You okay, Dex? You okay, my man? What'd you do with Chunk? You left Chunk behind? Chunk! Where are you, bud? I see ya. You okay? Dexter's over here, bud. See, he's calling out to his buddy Dexter. He doesn't want to be alone. I hear you, Chunk. Dexter's over here, bud. Dexter's right here. Right, Dexter. Why are you leaving Chunk behind? There's Mango watching. It's your own fault, Mango, that you didn't want to come out today. There's Sushi over there watching. Chunk? What are you doing? You guys okay? Hey, Chunky. How are you, man? You're all wet now. Oh, man. You're all wet, Chunk. Hey, Billy. How you doing? You like the Sultanghorn? This is my wife, New Year's noodles left over. That's called Sultanghorn, and it's long noodles to represent long life. So we're giving some leftovers to the pigs. She loves it, as you can see. We got a few tomatoes here and her regular chow, which is a pretty good day for the pigs, I'd say. She's loving that sauce. Hey, Billy. I got some for you too, buddy. Nose bump? Good boy, Bubby. You want some of this Sultanghorn, Bubby? That means yes, eh? Okay, hold on. Get your nose out of there. I gotta pour it out. Look, you got noodles, you got rice, some veggies. You love it, eh? Here, you got a couple tomatoes and your regular feed. I'll mix it in. You found your Kong? Windy. Whoa! Ready? You got it? You're getting all wet. Hey, boys. There you go. Hello, Rabbit. You okay, Rabbit? Dexter, what do you smell, buddy? Smell some mice? Now, we're getting just as much snow this year as we did last year, but here's the difference. And this is exactly what's supposed to happen every January, in our area at least. I can't speak for other areas. I don't understand the phenomenon. I don't know why it happens. I just know that historically throughout my life, we've always had like a few days or a week in January that we reach fairly warm temperatures for the winter. And now today, it is plus 8 degrees Celsius. And that is warm for winter. And what happens is everything starts to melt. And it's great because the snow that's up on all the roof, it slides off, and you don't get that compilation and thickness of the ice and snow on the roof like we did last year. Last year we did not have the January thaw, and guess what? Too much snow accumulated on the roofs, and the goose caboose collapsed. And if you remember, we had an ice dam on the house. I'll go and show you those heated wires a bit later and see how they're doing. But last year, the January thaw did not happen, and it just stayed cold. So the snow just stayed on all the roofs. Okay, Olive? You watch out for Dexter and Chunk, okay? Keep an eye on them for me. Maybe it's a good day to get this hose going. I can clean off my John Deere tractor. I know, this is what you're waiting for, right? I know. Just jumps right in the snowbank like it's nothing. Your feet are getting all wet. Oh, there we go. Hopefully we can get rid of all this leftover snow and ice here while it's nice and warm. Hey, Freddie and girls. Here, you want some lettuce? Leftovers. Are you coming down? Yes, you are. Hey guys, where's Big Red? Hey Red, you want some lettuce, buddy? Here, I'm gonna put it here in the bowl, okay? You guys can peck it. How you doing, Red? You liking this warmer weather, huh? How about your girls, Red? Did they lay any eggs? Oh yeah, they got 2 eggs in there, buddy. You okay, man? You all right? Okay, let me grab these eggs. That's not too shabby. Oh, they're not a little bit clean today. Oh well, at least we got 2, and they're warm. Warm eggs means fresh, fresh, fresh. You get out of the way there, Rabbit, okay? Don't put up with anything from Chunk. He's a stinker. It's so windy, it's kind of rattling the tarps. But so far, so good for the tarps. There's a little bit of tearage on the front, just a bit. But this one's all okay. So we're already like halfway through the winter. And it's nice that we're getting this little bit of meltage. Oh no, Chunk, you're rolling around in the stinkness again? You just have to roll around in the stinky areas, don't you? Don't come to me for hugs. Where's your Kong? What are you going up on top of the snowbank for? Olive, what are you doing? You're just gonna lie down there and have a break, eh? But a little bit later, I figure because of this meltdown, it's probably a good day to get the excavator going and try to pick up some of the logs that are buried by some of the snow and ice that I want to get up on the sawmill. And that really shouldn't be a problem for the excavator. And then we'll get the sawmill going and mill some logs for this upcoming cabin that I'm working on. Frankie, Lucy, time to do some cleanup, guys. I got the hose out. Okay, I got the hose. This is all ice, now it's all muck. Let's give it a quick wash while we have some nicer weather. Okay, Lucy and Frankie, you're okay now. Enjoy the little bit warmer weather, okay? Okay, enjoy it while it lasts. Yeah, I know. All right, turkeys. I'm fixing up your water. And I'm going to flood the rat holes for you. Good thing it's a nice weather today, eh? Hey, turkeys? Don't go close to the water. You're going to get all wet. What are you doing, hen? You're going to get all wet. It's cold water. How are you turkey boys doing? Good? You okay there, hen? Okay, turkeys. I gotta go, okay? I gotta go do some more farm work. I'll see you later, all right? There goes Frankie having a bath. Frankie! You're making a mess again. I just gave you that water, man. It's all right. You're a waterfowl. What do you expect? Look at the ice and snow on top of the roof of the goose caboose. It's slowly sliding off. But my structure's still doing fine. I mean, that's precisely why this annual January melt is necessary. So it doesn't accumulate. But usually every year it happens. There are, of course, some anomaly years that it doesn't happen, like last year, and we weren't prepared for it and we got wrecked for it. Okay, geese, here's some more straw. You guys okay out there? Hey? I hear you, geese. I bet you the whole farm hears you. I'm pretty happy that we're getting this melt because it just helps us reset. And I mean, the snow just keeps compiling and compiling and it can get to you. And I needed like a little break from the snow. So we got a couple days here where it's warm and it might be raining and things are going to turn to ice as it melts because it does get cold at night. And then a few days it's going to get cold again. Oh no, the ducks are dirty in my water already. You okay, ducks? Olive, where's your Kong? You okay? And I mean, once the real spring hits, that'll all be melting and it'll be probably mucky for a little while. I'll try to hose it down or something, but it'll dry up quickly after that because as we get the spring rain, you know, the April showers, where it's not going to get super muddy in there because of the roof. Oh, there's Chunk. Maybe he wants to go back in. Chunk, you want to go back in, buddy? What do you think, Chunk? Time to go back in, buddy? Or you still want to hang around? Hey? Chunk, you ready to go in, buddy? I already got Dexter. Come on, bud. I know. Winter sucks, right? At least the meltdown is helping us with the edge of that roof right there. Because last year we had an ice dam build up, but this year I put the heated wires, and the heated wires are doing a good job so far. So the heated wires, in addition to this balmy temperatures, is probably gonna not give us ice dams this year. And I'm pretty happy about that because nobody wants to be dealing with ice dams. Hey guys. Fuzzy, where were you this morning, man? Sushi. Hi, Sushi. How are ya? See how Sushi's coming over to greet me with the other cats? So it's like she's getting really involved into the claw crew system here at the farm. Dexter and Chunk already saw me out on the farm today, but Fozzie didn't. Right, Sushi? Sushi. Mango. Mango. That's all Mango will do is smell my finger. Fozzie. You want all the pets now that Chunk went outside, huh? Okay, I know you guys are waiting for treats. Hey, Tango, I know you're up here waiting for your treats. That's the system. Every day. Sushi waits down there. Tango's here, and usually Dexter comes up. They've been doing that all winter. You want some, Chunk? I know, Sushi. You want to eat your treats alone. Fozzie's here trying to get pets. Fozzie, you know Sushi wants to be alone. Come here. Come here. You want some, Fozzie? Is that why you're bugging me? You want some? Here, how about you, Mango? Here. Wow, Fozzie's eating some right now. Watch it, Fozzie. Mango's gonna sneak one. Fozzie's into the treats today. Maggie, here. Oh no, everybody's getting it. I gotta give some to my Bubbles. Watch out. Watch out, everybody. Bubbles doesn't want to come out today. Bubs. Hey, Mango. Oh, Mango, you want pets today? That's good, buddy. I'm a nice guy. Sushi jumping up for seconds. Still got those Dreamies from the UK. I just wanted to finish this one, and then we'll crack this one open maybe, I don't know, in a week or so. Hey, buddy. Hey, Tango. Move, Sushi. I gotta clean up your sick here. What are you doing eating it and you just barfed it up? That's gross. Whoa, Mango. Did she get you, Mango? You can't startle Sushi like that. She freaks out, right? You're okay though, right, my man Mango? You're okay, right? Anyway, fun times in the cat house. Now I gotta go figure out how am I gonna get those logs with the excavator and then try to mill some lumber. And it just started to drizzle. Cold, icy drizzle. It's a good thing my sawmill is under a roof, so it shouldn't be a problem. Okay, so I have one log down there and then 3 logs there. One of them I think is too skinny to put on the mill. I'm just gonna peel that. And then on this side, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I just plan to peel all the bark off it and use it as a whole circular log. I got an idea for a couple of posts that I need, and I want to use just like a circular log. I must say, these doors are working out pretty good. Just like I knew exactly what I was doing. Had it all planned out. Oh, the rain's starting to come down pretty hard. I got Olive in the shop there just to dry out. I don't want her to get soaked. That's nice. You okay, Olive? You okay, kiddo? Good girl. So, the second log, we ended up with a full 6x6. This is 3.5 inches by 6, and this is a full 2x10. And all three of these are 16 feet long. This here is a tamarack tree, so it's very beautiful. Tamarack is easy to distinguish because of the bark. Really nice. Perfectly square. Perfectly 6x6. Yeah, I know this one's a tamarack because of the bark. That other log that I just did right here, this is a pine. I'm not really quite sure what kind of pine it is. I know it's a pine, and it has kind of a reddish bark, and there's some red marks here. I wonder if that means it's red pine, but I really don't know. Not educated enough on the different species of pine, but I just know that it is pine. So I'm starting to get a good amount of logs here. You figure there's 2 down there, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 here. There's a little beam 4-inch thing there. And now I got these done. That's awesome. Lots of fun on the farm today. Little bit of everything for everybody who loves the farm. Got the animals, we got the dog, the cats, got the chores, we got the sawmill making lumber, we got all the equipment out, going to collect those logs. So I think there's a little bit for everyone. Woo! So windy. Thanks for coming along on this windy, blusterous day, folks. Really do appreciate it. Whew. At least I have a bunch of logs exposed out of the snow now. Hopefully it doesn't snow and I can get a chance to get those done. There's still this pile right here, which I haven't even attempted to get it loose yet. That's okay. Yeah, pretty good, right guys? I'm well on my way to my cabin. I think I have 10 logs now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then over by the excavator, there's 3 there. So that's 10 logs. Plus I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 big chunks for beams, and then I can use this 2x10 for something for sure. I'll need all sorts of different types of wood when you're building a cabin. I'm trying to get as much lumber as I can so that I'm ready to go by the time summer comes. That would be really cool. Maybe I can at least start the footings and start the base of the cabin and then mill logs as I need them. That's an option too. So who knows how the summer's gonna go. But yeah, so thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next episode, okay? You guys take care.